Hey everyone, this is Jay Hart here. Just for a quick little intervention before we get into today's video. If you guys want to support the Black Lives Matter movement and also the George Floyd Foundation, there'll be links in my description box down below. Everything is really crazy right now in this world, in America, girl, in the United States. So I just wanted to, use my platform, even though how small it is, to, just basically raise awareness. I'm pretty sure everybody knows, but yeah. So there are the links in my description box down below. So go ahead and click those, and and sign some petitions and donate if you can. So yeah, y'all. Thank you. What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jay Hart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, girls, I'm going to show y'all how to achieve, a summer glowy makeup look. I used to do these every season, but lately I have been stopping. My past looks are linked up here. So yeah, and I'm going to try to incorporate as many Black beauty brands as I can that are Black owned, and 95%, 80% Black employed in this video. So yeah, if you guys want to see this kind of video and also want to learn about some brands that are Black owned, if you guys want to support, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, you guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush, the royal family, the royal court, girl. And also, once you hit that subscribe button, y'all, there will be a bell notification button that will appear right after that. Please click that to be notified for all my future videos. Also, after that, at any point in the video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys enjoying me. If you guys are enjoying any of these brands or products that I talk about in today's video, give this video a big thumbs up and share this to all your Black family members. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. I'm starting off, and I'm going to go in with the Lyne Cosmetics Silky Base, which autofocus is not on the. This is the Lyne Cosmetics Silky Base right here, and it's just like a silicone primer, pretty much. And I'm just going to apply this everywhere that my porous areas are. Cause I'm about to, try to incorporate like more Black owned products, or like a big chunk of them in this video, that I can. So, and this is like a summer glowy makeup tutorial. So, yeah. Foundation, I'm about to go in with the Lip Bars Fast Face Foundation. So pretty much, I'm in the shade 303 in this foundation as well. I'm about to just apply this everywhere in little dots. I would say this is like a medium to full coverage foundation, because I definitely have gotten full coverage from this. And that's pretty much what I'm about to go for today. Like a medium full coverage look. Y'all, I'm taking this on a Makeup Shack T40 brush. I feel like this foundation works best with brushes. I've tried it with a sponge before and it did not go so good. So if y'all do pick up this foundation, I do recommend using a brush. Guys, I went in with the Juvia's Place concealers. Okay guys, so I'm setting my face with a loose setting powder. Mind you, if I don't basically describe what I'm using, it's, it's non-Black. Like, it's not a Black owned product or a brand, typically. So you know, or have a black face behind it. Either, you know, either that. So, yeah. So that's if I'm not saying it. So what I did was I focused the powder in the center of my face where I get the most oily and different stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing. The rest of my face I'm going to leave alone and leave like that. Or I could just take the rest and just bring it up just to like give it like a satin little thing. But so yeah. Oh, for that summer glow, and you know, like, you know, summer is more of like, you know, glowy skin tone. Last year the Lip Bar released their bronzers for that summer glow, the bronzer blush duos, and this is the Fresh Glow bronzer, and I think the shade Just Got Paid. And I'm just going to use a little bit because it is a little deep on my skin. So, ooh, y'all see that? It's a little deep on my skin. So I'm just going to easily just pat and, like, you know, trying to swipe and blend out. And, you know, blend this shit out pretty much. And I want to just take my time and pounce and pat. Have a little, the bronzer, I love the bronzer in here. I wish they had singles, because I would literally just buy the bronzer. I do like the blush in here, but I won't be using the blush today because I like more of a mattifying blush, and I would say this is more of a blush topper. It feels like you know, a pressure my eyeshadow, pretty much. That's pretty much how it feels. And you know, that's not a bad feeling for some people, but for me, it's not really the blush that I like to go for. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Power Blush Duo by Color Raine, and this is in the shade Damage Control. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of the blush and just pat that shit right on here and sweep it right underneath that. And yeah, so I went back and reinforced the powder that's under my eye, because I do tend to get creases under my eye, so just to make, you know, reassure that pretty much. And also I put on my Lip Bar bronzer and Just Got Paid, and my Power Blush in Damage Control. So yeah, and I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute and marinate before I move on to the next. Hey guys, so pretty much after you get done and you sweep off all that bake and that powder and everything, you want to go in with a dewier setting spray just to give you that glow like that. This is from a dewy setting spray, but it's not a black owned dewy setting spray. There are some setting sprays that some black owners actually make, but I don't have any. I think I have maybe one. I have one, but it's from Lyne Cosmetics, and this is pretty much how it looks. But it's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's not really it's like more of a body spray, at least for me, because it's so much shimmer packed inside of here. It's like for a body, but like I would have to use, like, so if I had you know, this is like the only one I own that is black owned, but I personally could not put that on my face because it's so shimmery. So yeah, I just used the regular illuminating, not illuminating, but a regular glow setting spray pretty much. So yeah, but we're only focusing on black brands, so yeah. Okay guys, for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the BTaylor Beauty adhesive eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to line my eyeline. Now for highlights, I am going to go in with the Colored Raine X Power Blush Duo and the highlighter in here, and I'm going to take that and just pat that right there. Like that. Y'all see that? Period. For lip gloss, you guys, I went in with Glossy Glam Cosmetics lip gloss. This is their, like, the pink one. It doesn't really have a label on here, so I can't really say. So, yeah, I really like this lip gloss though, y'all. It's really, really cute. So let me go change and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am finished with today's video. This is my finished look right here. Something cute, glowy, you know. It's really, really cute. If you guys want to check out some of these black owned brands that I did feature in today's video, they'll all be linked down below. And so yeah, you guys, if you guys want to, just a reminder, if you guys want to donate anything to the George Floyd Foundation and also to the Black Lives Matter movement, they'll all be linked down below. They'll be the first links there. So yeah, y'all, if you guys did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with all that being said, y'all, Black Lives Matter.